guys, this is Sandra Essex, your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a review on an MLM health and wellness company called Isagenix. But before we get started with my review today, if you are new to my channel, I would like to inform you that this channel is all about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with network marketing, how to make money working from home, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. We do a lot of product reviews on this channel so that you can make an informed decision. If these are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can subscribe to my channel and be notified when I upload daily new videos. With that being said, have a fantastic day and let's get into today's review. Hello guys. The company that we will be doing our review on today is called Isagenix. Isagenix was started in 2002. Their founder is John Anderson, and the CEOs of Isagenix are Jim and Kathy Coover, who between them have over 50 years experience in the direct sales industry. The corporate office is located in Gilbert, Arizona. Their mission statement is to create the world's greatest health and wellness products and business opportunity that together would transform the lives both physically and financially of people around the world. Right now we're looking at the Isagenix home website. They have a lot of health products, all natural health products. And this right here is their corporate website where you can learn a little bit more about their products if you're interested in getting involved with the Isagenix experience. They have a new, but they're known for their weight loss product. So let's take a little look at the weight loss products that they have. Their flagship product is their 30-day cleanse. It's shakes and pills that you take to help you lose weight. It has a lot of good and positive reviews. They have a Better Business Bureau rating of an A+. But again, their flagship product is the weight loss system that they have, and it's the 30-day system. They also have other systems, but again, the flagship product is the 30-day system. So if you're interested in a good weight loss product, you're looking to improve your health, Isagenix might be a company that you might want to look at their products. Now, also attached to their health and wellness industry products is an awesome compensation plan. So if you're watching this video, you might be interested in taking a look at how to make money with Isagenix. Let's take a little look at their team and the structure of their company. Isagenix has been in existence since 2002. They have a strong corporate leadership. As we said, the CEO and founder is John Anderson, and Kathy Coover and Jim Coover are the CEOs. They have an excellent support system, a strong board of directors, and it's an excellent company to work for, and they do have an excellent product. Now, if you're looking at being an Isagenix consultant and making money as well as losing weight with their products, this right here explains a little bit about how they get paid. Isagenix is on a binary pay compensation plan. So what that means with the binary compensation plan is that you come in as a consultant, okay, you get your 100 PV personal volume package, you share the product with at least 2 people, and that taps you in to start getting paid. You need one on your left and one on your right. Then as they get introduced to the company and the products, and they want to make money also, or they want to share the products with their family and friends, then they come board, sign up as a consultant, and they share this and get 2 people. Now, it is built to duplicate all the way down. You share, they share, and the binary compensation MLM commission pays you. And it's all based on you bringing in 2 and whoever they bring in to, and build that all the way down. Now, as your business grows with Isagenix, it's going to look something like this, where they're bringing people in, they're bringing people in, they're bringing people in. Okay, but here, this side is your right leg. They're bringing people in, they're bringing people in, they're bringing people in. So right here, to get paid and start making a commission with Isagenix, you have to have 600 group volume on your left side and 300 group volume on your right side, and then that generates a pay cycle. Now, with the Isagenix compensation plan, you can get paid other ways. You can get paid through your retail sales, your product bonuses sales, your team bonus, and this is down here where your team is generating money from you. They have different incentives, and they have promotions and the team builder bonus. So in Isagenix, you can get paid 6 different ways in their compensation plan if you're looking at Isagenix as a way to earn an extra income. Now, with that being said, let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of Isagenix. If you're looking at Isagenix as a weight loss vehicle, it has high quality products. Again, they're rated by the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, with the A+ rating. The health and wellness industry is a $4.2 trillion a year industry, and Isagenix brings in over $900 million a year. So it has a good product, and if you're interested in building a business with Isagenix, you have a excellent field to find people who are interested in health and wellness. Now, some of the cons that I see with Isagenix is that you have a PV, a personal volume, and requirement, and that's just at least 100 points. So you have to buy not $100, but 100 points. So it might come over $100 a month to be involved in Isagenix and buy their products. Some of the cons I see also, their products are excellent, great, I mean fantastic, but they are costly. But you know you got to pay for the best. Some of the cons I see with their compensation plan is that binary compensation plan, because it seems when I was in a binary, I never could get that right leg to have the volume that was allocated for me to get paid. So with me myself, I hadn't had a good experience with the binary compensation plan, but Isagenix have made quite a few millionaires with that compensation plan. So it's all in getting involved with your company and rolling up in your sleeves and doing the work that it takes to build your business. Now, with Isagenix, to make money, you're gonna have to sell products, as you've seen in their compensation plan, where you're bringing in people, they're bringing in people, and then at next level is bringing in people, and it keeps duplicating. So those are my pro and cons on Isagenix. And if you're interested in building a business with Isagenix, I would like to stress upon you that you're going to have to learn how to brand yourself. They're going to tell you to contact your family and friends, throw a party, make a list. But me, myself, I've been involved in network marketing for quite a few years. My last 2 companies, I have been at one of their top producers in their compensation plan. And what made the change for me is that I learned how to brand myself. I learned how to generate daily leads every day. Now, when I say generate daily leads every day, that doesn't mean that everybody's going to join my business every day, but I'm putting enough people in front of my business that I stand a chance of signing up more people, because it's all about putting people in front of your business to see your opportunity, because some will, some won't. So what next? You move to the next person, and you have to have those kind of leads to sustain yourself in this type of business. And if you're interested in learning how to generate leads for your Isagenix business or any business that you are involved with, feel free to look down at the bottom of this video. You will see a link, and I will direct you to where you can learn to build and have unlimited leads free. So with that being said, everybody, I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I do reply to all the comments below this video. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will get back with you. With that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon to be notified when I will be releasing my new daily videos. With that being said, guys, I will see you on my next review. Take care and have an awesome day.